And though we're worlds apart, you always keep me in your heart, right? Don't cry, baby, don't be sad. What we had, we just won't forget. Angels calling, gotta go. Moonlight shadow, take me home. I'm sorry, girl, for the pain I caused. I'm sorry, girl, for the faith you've lost. Don't worry, girl, it'll be alright. I'ma wait for you on the other side. Oh, but you know that my love is true, and I keep missing you. Heaven's calling, gotta go. Moonlight shadow, take me home. Moonlight shadow, take me home.
The last that ever she saw him, carried away by a moonlight shadow, sang a song of sorrow and grieving, carried away by a moonlight shadow. All she saw was a silhouette of a gun, far away on the other side. He was shot 6 times by a man on the run, and she couldn't find how to push through.
Listen up, y'all.
I stay, I pray, I see you in heaven far away.
Alright.
I stay, I pray, I see you in heaven one day. By a moonlight shadow.
Heaven's calling, gotta go. Moonlight shadow, take me home.
Star was glowing in a silvery night, far away on the other side. Will you come to talk to me this night? But she couldn't find how to push through.
Wind it up, wind it up. Heaven's calling, gotta go. Moonlight shadow, take me home.
Mr. Blackstar, Timothy.
What it do, Sean Rock? Let's get it going. Yeah, it's our time. Only get a couple of chances like this. So girl, let's try till the sun don't shine. We'll be going all night, no sleeping. Don't wanna waste no seconds. Coming with me, no questions asked. Don't need no back, just hop in the back. We'll shop when we land. Did you hit that? Did you get that? Bet you did. Girl, let me show you how I live. Ball in the back of that G6. Toes into every time zone we hit. That's it, we major. Won't let them haters fade us. And when we done, girl, there's no be no greater. So let's go.
Wake me up, oh I ain't got time for sleeping. I wanna love you 8 days a week. Monday sucks, 'cause that's when you